Beautiful people, ma-open kita sa gift na ginhatag sa aton. This one is from, I don't know. Lipat ko sino kakad sini. Sheila?
Butay.
Kasi itong wine niya nga, red wine.
Butay.
Okay, first, ay, may card gali ko. May card gali, guys. Pakuno-puno pa ko. Cute! Isa ang win. Cute. My card. Sugar cookie. Look at that. It's so
Timing kita
cutie.
sa mga sugar mo siguro.
Timing sa sugar ko mataas. Okay, well, may pa-birthday card. Wow. When someone is as great as you, it's hard to find a way to tell you all the happy thoughts we have of you today. Ano mo sige pagbasa ko?
Di magluki. Magparehas iba.
Oh, okay, take. Alright. Lauta. Kasi sa iba, sino nga iba din na? Okay. Okay, mega Shell. Lagi mong gali siya, Yaya. Thank you so much, Shell. Love you, ma. Abalya. Told you, honey. But maybe this will help to show we think the world of you and wish you special happiness today and always too. Happy birthday from all of us.
Sheila May.
Ga, happy birthday to you, Sheila May. Din ang ano binisyo. With heart. Oh, thank you so much, Shell. Love you, love you, love you. Nag-effort pa si Yaya. We appreciate, guys. Bisa wala na-gift, it's okay. Importante ara ang inyong presensya. And this one, B-boy at ng Mimi. Card. Birthday card. Cute. It's a grain. Mo grain. Uy. Anong grain?
Ako, Diyos ko. Turubya na kalibay. May karta.
Ay, pag Tim Horton at
Diyos ko. Kay titi tayo tanong.
Thank you so much, no. Anang
Lipat
Mimi.
lang din.
Thank you, Palmis family. Happiest
Mga bata, ito to.
birthday, Pirot! Our family appreciates you for being a great friend. Your laughter and energy bring a full room of people joy. I hope this year brings you happiness and blessings again. Happy 36th birthday! God bless you, John 3:16. For God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in Him should not perish but have an everlasting life.
Amen.
Yes. From Palmis family. Thank you so much ng Mimi and ng
Bebo.
B-boy. Cute ang ano. May, blown ako. May candle mo. Oh. Yan na. You know guys, wala akong ginagasto ang mga ginahatag sa akon. Nakip ko na siya for in case of emergency, you know. From Linel. Thank you,
Yes,
Nel.
ang laon.
Mo sa laon ko, no. Ay, may card. May pa-card man. Basta akong card ni Linel. Ang kakasweet sa mga mega naton. Malaya. Ka-cute. Ay, ka-cute flower. Happy birthday! Oh, di ba kung cute? Dear Jo. Sabi ko, perot, hi. Joy is the feeling that brings a glad smile, that comes with such warmth and lingers a while. So here is a wish for much joy to you, to fill up your birthday and all your life too. Have a wonderful birthday. Lovely, Nell. Thank you, Nell! Look at that. It's so cute ka birthday card niya. May pa-flower. Tayo mo pumasok. Yes, tayo eh. Ang iyang nga gift. Wow. What is this? What is this? Well, anong gitbawil balot? Anong, mululupod kita sinicrop top? Cute! It's so, ay, kanami ka tela niya. Ay, good job.
Mga crop top nga gusto ni Linel. Same ni Gabo gusto.
Payari mo kami ni Linel, ni Sheila. Guato sila mga butod. Ay, pura cute yung kulay. I like the color. It's nice. Saksong tanim ng summer. Kailangan natin na mag-diet. Kaya, ang aton mga sugar, cholesterol, taas na. I-keep ko na ni. Thank you so much, Nel. I appreciate it. Sino may pa red wine? Si Sheila ba nata to? I don't know. I forgot. Kay hindi, sige.
Siyang.
Oo, kay Shang. Kay Shang,
Red wine ba to, ano?
hindi, white wine to siya. Right. Thank you so much, guys. Importante kamo ang ari dire.
Ang presensya.
Ang presensya nyo. Ang pagpalangga sa amon.
Oh!
Ine, to Jojo. Halin sa ako nga employer. Halin kay Marietta. Look at that. Cute pagin dyan. Look at that. It's so cute. Pick this special wish for you. Oh, what's this? Oh! May pang teams taliwat. Thank you, Marietta. Very good ba? Ang dami kay Marietta. So thoughtful. You're so sweet. Okay. Basahon ta. Happy birthday, Jojo! We hope you had, ano sa tawag mo? We hope you had an amazing day. Filled with joy and rest. We are very grateful to the care and kindness you give to Nikki and our family. We hope this year brings you many moments of happiness, beautiful memories, and most importantly, lots of fish when you go fishing.
Turita dyan.
Oh my goodness! Gusto a lot of fish this year.
Ano mo na?
A lot of what?
Gani.
A lot of
Big
fish
hugs.
when you go fishing. Wait, isda pa. Big hugs, Marietta, Nikki, Danny, Catherine, and Gigi.
Gigi.
You know guys, Gigi is a bird. Para makita nyo, a lot of fish. O, diba? A lot of fish. Anong fish yun? Kita nyo? Oh my goodness. You're so cute. Hope all your birthday dreams come true. Cute siya. Oh my God, look at that birthday card. So cute. Kanami lang kapili, makabato ka sa mga card, no? So, kanami lang din. And this one, from Agi.
Why?
Yeah. Ipapili niya kami, ano ga gusto mo nga ano?
Kasi perfume.
Nga perfume. Ako, perfume. Perfume. Sabi ko, ang presensya mo lang ga mo ang naimportante sa tanan gid. Ay, it's so hard. Ooh, dabalaan mo gid manginginom gid ta haw. Bagong buhay na ta.
Aba,
Wow, thank you so much. Dapat mag-inom to ni gali kagabi, okay? Wala naman. It's okay. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate all your all your gifts and your presence. Ang mga pinaka-importante. Thank you so
Memories
much. We
together.
love you. And yeah, ang memories good. And the rest is a history. Ano po, no? Ano kaya to? Ano sina? What happened here stays here. Ano? Hindi ano? Ano ba? Basta mo na. Good night, everyone. That's all. Thank you sa pagpalangga. Love, pero bye. Ano mahambal mo?
You're welcome.
Ay, namit ko na imuluto.
Oo, inubusan niyo ko.
Luto kaliwat eh.
Na.
Alright, bye.